Hello guys, welcome back to MBC. Today we are going to learn to make a simple vowel counter in Python. So first we are going to make a function. The function name will be count vowel. This can be any name you want, but I have given it as count vowel because it will be simpler to understand. So after writing the function name, we are going to write in brackets text. This will be the temporary variable we are going to use in this function. So with the use of text, we can make sure that the function works fine. So after that, we are going to make some variables. First of all, we are going to make a variable called vowels. This will contain all the vowels in the alphabet. We don't need to add commas in between all of them since they all can be contained inside a string. And after creating this variable, we are going to create another variable called count. This will be the actual count of variables in our program. So after this, we are going to write more commands such as for character or char, the short form of character in Python, in text, the temporary variable we are using. If character is vowel, count plus 1. For the plus 1, we are going to write count is plus is equal 1. Since in Python we can't just write plus 1 for a variable. What these commands do is that for the first command, for character in text, it will check the text if there is a character in it. And then if character is vowel, as the name suggests, if the character isn't vowel, we are going to plus 1 to the count because at the end we are going to make the count the number of variables we are having in a sentence. After this, we are going to write return count. What this will do is that it will only return the count variable from the entire function so that we don't have to get the unnecessary things. After this, we are going to make another variable. The variable name will be user input. However, this can be any name you want since variables don't need any specific names. So, user input is equal input, then the prompt will give the user to make them enter a sentence for us to check the vowels in. After this, we are going to run our function we created. The function name in this case is vowel underscore count. So we are going to write vowel count and then in brackets we are going to write user input. Since text is the temporary variable we use, but the main variable we are going to be using is user input. Now we'll make the entire function the vowel count and then in brackets user input into a variable called vowel so that it is easier to understand. Finally, after this, we are going to write the print command to print the variable to the user. You can print anything you want to the user. Just make sure to write the variable in the vowel variable because it is the variable which has the count variable in it. Thank you so much for watching guys. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you have managed to learn anything from this. As you can see guys, the code works just fine now. There was some mistake in the code as I had not given the double colon in the beginning, but now it works fine.